What's up guys, and welcome to this video. I am at the 88 Idea Studio in Poland, in Tychy. This is Adam Paszczela, and there is this particular tank which really caught my attention, and I made like a little interview with Adam. I really would like you to watch, so here it goes.
I'd like to introduce this tank. This is 60p. This is tank from the Polish Aquascaping Contest, second edition. This is the grand prize from this year. I was the opportunity to be judge and the owner of this tank, and the winner, he want to move this aquarium to my studio. You can see the very good quality of plants. So after 2 months and a half, everything growing well, especially Bucephalandra. There are a lot of species, many kind of mosses, maybe totally is 40 species of plants here in a very small tank, so this is unique. Fertilizing usually like the rest tank in 88 Studio Poland, bright decay, mineral, and every third day maybe 1 drop iron. So double filtration, very strong, also anti-pickle, because this is recommend ES 600, and another one very small ES 150, maybe not so big filter, but with strong circulation, because this vertical layout they need stronger circulation of water. This is very important for small environment to distributing CO2. Every part of layout in distributing of oxygen, also of course fertilizing, everything is caused by moving water, so filtration is really important. Like I mentioned, this tank is really special kind of layout. You can see many details. For example, the placing of small part of Bucephalandra is incredible. This is a really masterpiece. This is hundreds places where it's located. It's probably 40 species and many mosses, very small pieces of Fissidens. Also the spaces and borders between different kind of types of plants. On the very small area you can see maybe 15 different plants, so it's really difficult to express the size in a very small tank like 60p. So this is a good example, because when we remove the fishes from this tank and we remove the equipment like pipes and CO diffuser, we can make an impression that this is a very big tank, like a 90 and age, 60 centimeters high, maybe more, even 120, because it's caused by details and very hard work on planting and hardscaping too. The creator of this layout, Marcin Zajac, he told me that he spent 160 hours for hardscaping only. So when we finish hardscape, 160 hours, so really a lot of time. He prepared the wood parts, glue it of course, and he used a special kind of glue to planting, because this is hundreds places. So there's many hundreds hours really he spent it for create the layout. So everything is glue it on some glass bottom, and for example in the future even we can cut the front glass, remove the water first of course, and we can remove it, the whole layout, to another tank, because on the bottom is very thin 3 mm glass bottom and everything is glued. Most important is using connector between spaces we can glue. We use the best is a very simple ordinary thing like old used filter, cigarette filter. So this is very good. We can put between two rocks, between two stones or two woods, and we glue it on the surface of filter, and everything you don't lose it the glue, because glue's going to the inside to the filter, and we make the create some pressure, and in a few seconds is everything is. But the most important is to use the some cover safety, because it's really important. If you glue a lot of time, you should to use special black gloves by Moscoton. Is the perfect. You can see the pieces of glue, and the black color is really useful for working 1-2 hours with this kind of layout. This tank is not typical. This is not ADA, but this is typical size 60p. Creator and owner this layout, we would like to respect him work, and we bring this layout here in original tank, but we use the all rest is AD equipment, the clear cabinet, very nice quality, totally transparent stand, especially when you want to use the original AD superjet filter or the CO2 tower. It looks amazing inside. The lighting is solar, maybe more old school type of lights, but really like it. Very soft light. This is model AD Solar 2. 36 watts, 2 lamps, 2 bulbs. In filter we use the BioRio, we use the Anacarbon always in one, even we use the 2 filter in one aquarium, we use minimum 1 bag of carbon, Anacarbon or Bamboo Harcoal. Fertilizing bright decay, mineral, iron, every third day, every day bright decay and mineral.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this interview. This tank is one of my favorite in this gallery, but to be honest with you, every tank is so great and is one of my favorite in this gallery. I hope you enjoyed this interview. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out Adam Paszczela. I have links down below in the description, and let me know what you think about this aquarium. If you've been able to count all the different moss and Bucephalandra species. I weren't, but the mini Fissidens was really dope. Again guys, thanks for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye.
Everything is glued on the some glass bottom, so we can remove it every time. For example, if you want, we can remove it
Just show what you did.
It's broken my leg, like a comedy movie. It's just broken.
You just broke it.
I don't need it. Destroy the layout. Man, 160 hours. Sorry, but it's.